Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can use zoom in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very simple and easy tool. So I'll give you guys an idea and you can yourself create amazing effects. So first of all, I'll drag this video onto my timeline. And let's say I want to zoom into this part of the clip. I'll make it shorter so that the preview is easier. Now, once this is done, you can go ahead and click on Inspector. Under here you'll see all these options where you can transform the size and position of the video. Now quickly enable dynamic zoom. Now this is the best way to add zoom with the click of a button. Now as you can see, it has already added a zoom out effect. If you want to remove this or invert this, just click on swap and it'll go into this mode, which is to zoom in. Now this is a very simple and easy way to add a zoom effect into your videos. You can obviously tweak it however you want. You will see that there are all of these options. There's ease in, ease out, ease in and out as a mixture. Now ease in is basically that it goes slow and at the end it goes a little fast. Ease out is the opposite, and this is it's a combination of both of these effects. I'll keep it at linear for now, which means it is zooming in. Now you can change the other aspects of this tool by clicking on this drop down menu and clicking on dynamic zoom. You'll see that the green portion is where the video is going to start from, and this is where the video is going to end after the zoom process is done. So let's say you want to start over here and you want to end over here. This is quite the zoom. Once you have put that in, go back to transform and you'll see that this is our result. You can change it to whatever you want. Just go back to dynamic zoom and you can even add a pan effect. So let's say you want the video to start here and the video can end on the other side. So there's no zoom effect, it'll just pan from left to right. Once you have put in the starting position and the ending position, go back to transform, and yeah, that's basically how you can add pan, and I've also taught you how you can zoom. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.